So, nakarating ka na nga ng Japan. Pero ano nga ba yung mga kailangan mong gawin bago lumabas ng airport? Paano magwi-withdraw? Anong sasakyan? Ano ang transportation card? Konnichiwa! This is Sam, the girl who travels, and I've been sharing travel guides like this since 2017 to make sure you follow.
Hi guys, I'm at Narita Airport and I'm about to withdraw money at the 7-Eleven ATM machine using my GCash card. So, let's see kung magkano po ang mababawas. Okay, select your language first. Okay, then select withdrawal. Okay, withdrawal amount 20,000 ay 220 or yen. Confirm. Savings. Okay, and then PIN. I'm gonna withdraw 20,000 yen. So, total of 20,220. So, hindi tayo magko-convert. Accept without conversion. So, this is the receipt. 20,220, our GCash, and our 20,000 yen. Okay guys, na-check ko na yung GCash ko and ang nabawas ay 7,660 pesos. That's the equivalent of 20,220 yen. So ngayon, pupunta naman tayo sa train station. Para makapunta tayong Tokyo, mag-load tayo ng Suica card. One of the options of going to Tokyo is the airport bus, Narita Airport Bus. This is the most convenient kasi hindi na kayo magka-transfer, hindi na kayo maghahanap ng stations. Yung bags nyo, nandun lang siya sa ilalim and then sobrang sarap ng upo nyo dyan. Medyo mas mahal lang siya. Well, depende kung saan kayo pupunta. Kung Tokyo Station lang, 2,000 yen. But we are going to take the train. Yung lugar kasi na book namin, it's not a hotel, it's a B&B. Nasa residential address siya or area siya. And mas madali kung train.
If you're taking the train, use the escalator to go down. The transportation card machines are also there where you can get a new one or reload an old one like me. I have this Suica card from 2018 that has my name on it, and you may use your iCoca card as well if you've been to Osaka before. Another option is a private airport transfer from Weekend Warrior Travel and Tours na included na sa Japan tour packages namin. Ako po may-ari na. Perfect for big families, lalo na madaming bagahe or first-timers in Japan or kung may senior at mga batang kasama. Message lang po kayo sa page namin. For the train options, you may choose among Narita Express, Keisei Skyliner, and Keisei Access Express depending on your budget and schedule. Anyway, that's it for this arrival guide and see you on the next one. Bye!